If you love Xcode, but every time you work inside of it, you really miss Vim, this is the screencast for you because I'm going to show you how to get these two working together in perfect harmony. Let's get Xcode and Xvim working inside of Xcode 8. Xcode 8 doesn't allow add-on bundles, so we need to sign Xcode ourselves. So we'll create a certificate inside of Keychain Access. We're going to give it the name Xcode Signer and the certificate type of code signing. Then we'll click Create and create the certificate. And then we'll head over to Terminal and use the code sign tool with force and -s to specify the Xcode signer certificate. And then we'll run that on Xcode app. Give it your password and it'll start. This is a long process, so I'm going to skip forward to the prompt that asks us if we want to allow code sign to access the keychain. We do. So that worked. And now we'll clone the Xvim project. And then we'll check to make sure we've got our build tools selected for the right version of Xcode. We do. So we'll change directories into Xvim and run make. There's a prompt that says this won't work in 8.3.3. Do you want to try it? And we'll try it anyways, but it fails. So thankfully, there is a fix for this in the development branch of Xvim. So we'll check out that branch and run make again. And this time, we'll see it succeed. Now that we have Xvim installed for Xcode, we just need to create an xvim.rc file. I'll paste in one that I have already created that just has some keybinds and some niceties that I want to add there. And then we'll head over to Xcode. When you run it, it's going to ask you if you want to load the bundle. Of course we do. And once that's done, we'll create a new file. I'm going to create a table view controller just so we have some code to work with, just so you can see that I can JK around to my heart's content, go into Visual Block Editor, and delete some lines. As you can see, Vim is now working inside of Xcode. Go, create, and let us know what you're working on down in the comments. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please click or tap the Twilio logo on the bottom left to subscribe so you know when we make more. If you want to get the code, there's a button in the bottom right for that. And if you want to watch another video, I picked one just for you. Until next time, I'm out of here.